So, magkano siya per piece?
5. What kind of Legos I brought?
What? What Legos?
What is this Lego?
It's a police officer.
It's a minifan.
Oh, you have no Lego tray.
A Lego tray.
So ito guys, ano to? Unilog na diaper.
Hello have hair? Does
Small.
Hello have hair?
Yeah.
For, magkano? 173?
He has hair, right?
Yung ano?
173. Tapos, 30 pieces na siya. 30 ba? Saan yung 30 pieces?
30 yan.
Ito, 30 pieces. So, napakaganda nitong Unilab na to.
Experience.
Sobrang gentle niya sa balat. Hindi pa nagka-rashes yung little one namin.
Papa,
What?
you know what?
What? Mas mura lang siya sa small, nasa 5 plus 5 point something.
Going to make an animation of flying.
Yeah, nice.
What
Good.
about the apple?
Yeah,
What about the apple?
yeah, try to do.
Make animations without
Kasi
the
hindi siya
apple.
mabaho, hindi siya mabantot pag may poops. Yeah, try it.
Dapat lang tama yung size kasi
Oh.
aapaw.
So, tama na rin siguro yung
I
small
want to
mo.
drink water.
Nga, susunod na yun, ano na siya.
A
Medium.
baby
Pa-medium na
train
siya. Kaya ako
and
mag-stop
a
ako bumili
Lego
eh.
train.
Papaubos ko lang yun eh.
Bigyan mo nga siya ng tubig, ma'am.
Can I have water?
Unilove din itong binilhan mo, no? Diba? Yung company, ano talaga, official store nila. Ano na talaga sila ngayon, ano? Yung Unilove. Kasi maraming titinda na ng Unilove, eh. Huwag lang talaga silang mag-venture sa advertising.
That's like
Kasi magmamahal yan, no?
a horse. That's like a horse.
May ano na sila. no?
Dude, that's a horse.
Wala sila sa TV.
Papa, that's a horse.
Where?
There, at your camera.
Bakit nangyari dito sa
Unique Care Hygienic.
It's like a horse, dude. What?
Sa tao?